Rebecca Slim Chickens, and they got a strawberry kind of promotion, strawberry salad and a strawberry wrap, and that is what we're checking out today. It's for a limited time, so if it's good, you guys are gonna want to run to your local Slim Chickens for this special. So how much was the wrap?
That was, I think, $7.99.
Where? I see $10.99.
That's the meal. $7.99 by itself.
Oh, okay.
And the salad was $10.99.
All right. Salad is 10. The wrap is $7.99. Got it. So we're looking at the meal right now, the combo.
That's the $10.99 comes with the drink and all this.
$10.99 with the drink.
Uh-huh.
Right.
The salad comes with this and a drink.
Okay.
And then that's the a la carte.
That's just the wrap.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay, go ahead.
Now, the salad doesn't have a lot of strawberries in it, but it has a ton of chicken. Ton. So let's try it right now. Dressing's real good. So we'll finish this up and we'll give you our opinion outside. But so far, the dressing is spot on. I like it a lot. All right, I gotta say that was very filling. The wrap alone. We didn't even touch the salad. We took it home. Okay, guys. The chicken, strawberries, very fresh. It all came together. The dressing was a home run. They're packed. They're crowded right now. We got out there just in time. So anyway, I totally give it a solid A. We would probably come back and get the wrap again, right?
Yep. Wrap is really good.